How to freeze frame in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can freeze frame in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to import any video and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now once the video is added to the track, simply select the video. And on the top you'll have these options. Here you can see you have this freeze icon over here. Just find it in this tab. And then once you play the video and find the desired place where you want to add the freeze, you have to simply click freeze over here once you pause. And now you can see if I adjust the size of the track over here, I'm just going to show you the frozen frame over here. And that's the frozen frame. Now you can adjust the time of the freeze by dragging this clip over here. You can just click the clip that you froze and then you have to just drag it. And that's the process that you can follow to freeze frame in Capcut on PC and Mac. You can follow the same process for Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.